Bobby and the Robin, a Twinkle original story. The chilly winter wind brushed against Bobby's cheeks as he walked through the village with Mum. "I think I want to be a robin in the winter show," said Bobby, "although I'm not sure how to be one." "That's a wonderful idea," smiled Mum. "Maybe we could learn about robins in our home ed topic this week."
Twinkle 原創故事系列 Bobby 與羅賓。天氣真係好凍啊！一陣風吹過去 Bobby 嘅面上面，佢同媽媽行過佢哋村莊嘅禮堂。我都想可以喺今年嘅冬天表演嗰度做羅賓啊！不過我唔知可以點樣做到啊！媽咪就笑住咁講：真係一個好主意啊！我哋今個禮拜喺屋企一齊學下關於羅賓啦。
Bobby woke up the next day excited to find out about robins so that he could start planning his performance. He read books and made notes. He watched videos and drew pictures. He learnt lots of robin facts, but not how to be a robin. Bobby gazed through the window as the snowflakes danced and swirled through the air. Amid the white, a little red shape darted around before landing on the windowsill. It was a real-life robin.
第二朝起身 ，Bobby 好興奮啊，因為佢今日就可以開始計劃佢嘅表演啦。佢睇咗圖書，寫低筆記，又睇咗啲關於羅賓嘅短片，畫咗圖畫。佢學識咗好多關於羅賓嘅小知識，不過唔係點樣做一隻羅賓喎。雪花喺窗外邊翩翩起舞 ，Bobby 望住窗外邊一片嘅白色，突然間出現咗一隻紅色嘅雀仔，係一隻真嘅羅賓啊！
This was the perfect chance for Bobby to learn from an expert. He pulled on his wellies and ran outside. Slowly he crept forwards to take a closer look. The little bird stared at Bobby and tilted its head. The robin hopped across the crunchy grass. So Bobby hopped too. They hopped together until the robin flew away.
呢個仲唔係大好機會可以學下點樣做一隻羅賓？Bobby 就即刻着上佢嘅水靴跑咗出去啦。佢慢慢咁樣靠近羅賓，呢隻雀仔望住佢，同佢點咗一下頭。羅賓喺結晒冰嘅草地上面跳 ，Bobby 又跟住一齊跳，直到羅賓話：拜拜，我走啦。
The following morning, Bobby was surprised to see that the robin had returned. Bobby raced outside as the cold breeze swept across his body. The little bird saw him and tilted its head. The robin flapped its wings in the icy air. So Bobby flapped too. They flapped together until the robin flew away.
第二朝 ，Bobby 覺得好興奮，佢又見到羅賓啊！雖然出面嘅天氣好凍，佢依然跑出去花園。雀仔見到佢，又係同佢點一點頭。羅賓拍一拍翼 ，Bobby 又跟住一齊拍翼，直到羅賓同佢講：我要走啦，拜拜。
The next day, Bobby was woken by a beautiful sound coming from the garden. He clambered down the stairs and out onto the snowy path. The little bird saw Bobby and tilted its head. The robin sang its song across the frozen garden, so Bobby sang too. They sang together until the robin flew away.
第二日 ，Bobby 聽到花園有啲好美妙嘅聲音，佢起咗身，原來係羅賓啊！佢即刻落樓梯，行咗出去屋出邊，見到呢隻雀仔，又同 Bobby 點一點頭。喺呢個寒冷嘅花園入邊，羅賓唱咗一首歌 ，Bobby 又跟住唱歌，直到羅賓話：下次見，我要走啦。
The day of the show was drawing nearer, so Bobby and Mummy gathered some craft materials to make his costume. The little bird perched on the windowsill and tilted its head. Bobby watched the robin cleaning its feathers with its beak. I'll need some wings, he said to Mummy, and a beak.
表演嘅日子越嚟越近 ，Bobby 同埋媽咪開始喺度整佢哋嘅服裝。佢哋做咗一啲小手工去裝飾佢嘅服裝。有一隻雀仔企咗喺窗邊，點一點頭。Bobby 見到羅賓用佢嘅嘴去清潔佢嘅羽毛。啊，我都要一對翼啊！佢同媽咪講，仲要一個嘴。
Then Bobby watched the robin puff out its bright red breast. Mummy found some red fabric for the finishing touch. When the costume was ready, Bobby smiled and tilted his head. Happily, he stepped into the garden to plan his performance. Bobby and the robin hopped and flapped and sang all afternoon until the pink, snowy sky began to turn dark.
之後，Bobby 見到羅賓將佢嘅毛鬆一鬆，媽咪就揾咗一啲紅色嘅布料俾佢，加上去佢嘅服裝度。服裝終於做好啦 ，Bobby 笑一笑，點點頭，佢好高興咁樣走出去花園度計劃佢嘅表演。Bobby 同埋羅賓一齊跳，一齊拍翼，一齊唱歌。
On the day of the winter show, Bobby went to look for the robin. He wanted one more rehearsal before his big performance. He searched and he called, but his friend was nowhere to be seen. Bobby traipsed up the hill to the village hall with Mum and Mummy. The lights were glowing, but Bobby's heart didn't feel warm. What if he never saw the little robin again?
表演日終於嚟到啦。Bobby 走出去揾羅賓，佢想喺表演之前練習多一次。佢不停揾，不停嗌，但佢嘅朋友冇嚟到。Bobby 同媽咪慢慢行上山，向住禮堂出發。雖然周圍嘅燈都好靚好光，不過 Bobby 嘅心就覺得好唔開心啦。如果佢以後都見唔到羅賓咁點呢？
Bobby stood at the front with his friends ready for the show to start. He wished that the robin could be there with him. As the music began to play, Bobby saw a little red shape through the snow. It was the robin perched on a branch. It had the best view of all. Bobby beamed as his eyes met the robin's, and together they tilted their heads. They were both ready to begin.
Bobby 同佢一班朋友企咗喺台前面準備，心入邊諗住，如果羅賓喺度就好啦。音樂一開始 ，Bobby 突然間見到一啲紅色嘅嘢，原來係羅賓啊！佢企咗喺樹枝上面，有一個最好嘅景觀，可以睇到 Bobby 嘅表演。Bobby 好開心啊！佢望住羅賓，點一點頭，我哋準備好啦。
The show started and the children took turns to perform. When it was his turn, Bobby puffed out his chest. From the snowy tree, the robin put on its own little show. Together, they hopped and they flapped and they sang.
表演正式開始，小朋友都輪流表演。輪到 Bobby 表演啦，佢鬆一鬆佢嘅毛，然後見到羅賓喺樹上面都喺度表演緊啊！佢哋一齊好開心咁樣跳、拍翼、唱歌。
When everyone had finished their performance, the audience cheered and Bobby was filled with happiness. He clapped for the other children and for his new friend, the robin. Bobby felt proud of himself and he was sure the robin was proud of him too.
大家都完成晒表演啦，觀眾歡呼拍手，Bobby 都覺得好滿足。 佢為咗佢嘅朋友仔同埋佢嘅新朋友羅賓拍手，佢感到非常之自豪，亦都肯定羅賓都一樣係咁諗。
From then on, Bobby didn't have to look very far to find the robin. It visited him every day, and the best friends greeted each other with a hop, a flap, and a song.
從此之後，Bobby 唔需要再去揾羅賓啦，因為佢每一日都嚟探佢。佢哋每次見面都會一齊跳，一齊拍翼，一齊唱歌。
The end.